The Drooms secure link makes collaboration seamless, secure, and efficient. When you need to quickly guide a colleague or stakeholder to a specific document, simply navigate to the file or folder, open the context menu, and select Get Link. Alternatively, use the document viewer to generate a link that takes users directly to the exact page they need. The link is copied to your clipboard and can be shared instantly. Just paste it, and it becomes a clickable link, giving your team immediate access. You can link documents together within bookmarks. For example, bookmark a due diligence report and link it to the related financial statements. Everything stays connected with the right context preserved for your team. Access control is a key part of working securely. If a user clicks a restricted link, they can request access immediately. Administrators are notified and can approve or deny the request with a single click. This keeps documents secure while maintaining control. Secure links also simplify how brokers and sellers access information. Instead of manually sending invitations, you can embed a folder link directly into your investor portal listing. Potential buyers click the link, request access, and move forward faster, significantly accelerating the due diligence process. Document links are included in the index export. Simply export the index from the context menu and open the Excel file. The links will be ready to use. For more help, please visit our Help Center on the website.